How to get buy-in from stakeholders for change. Organizational change is often met with resistance, making stakeholder buy-in a critical factor in successful transformation. Whether you're implementing a new structure, adopting new technology, or shifting business strategy, engaging stakeholders early ensures smoother transitions and long-term success. Why stakeholder buy-in matters. Without buy-in, even the best ideas can fail due to lack of support, misalignment, or active resistance. Stakeholders, including executives, managers, employees, and even customers, need to understand and believe in the change for it to be effective. Step 1. Identify key stakeholders. Not all stakeholders are affected in the same way. Identify those who influence, implement, or are impacted by the change. Primary stakeholders: leadership teams, department heads, key decision makers. Secondary stakeholders: employees, clients, vendors, investors. Change champions: influential individuals who can advocate for the change. Step 2. Communicate the why clearly. People resist change when they don't see the benefit. Address the rationale, urgency, and expected outcomes. What problem does the change solve? How will it improve efficiency, productivity, or growth? What's at stake if the organization doesn't change? Use data, case studies, and real-world examples to make a compelling argument. Example: if transitioning to a remote work model, showcase productivity statistics from similar companies. Step 3. Involve stakeholders in the process. Top-down mandates often fail because they exclude those most affected. Instead, foster engagement by seeking feedback through surveys and focus groups. Including stakeholders in planning discussions. Creating pilot programs to test and refine the change. Example: Google's reorganization efforts succeeded because leadership actively sought employee input before implementing changes. Step 4. Address concerns and resistance. Every change brings concerns: job security, workload, skill gaps, or cultural shifts. Proactively manage resistance by holding open forums for discussion, providing clear answers and transparent timelines, offering training programs to build confidence in new processes. Example: when Microsoft shifted to a cloud-first strategy, extensive training programs helped employees transition smoothly. Step 5. Demonstrate quick wins. Stakeholders are more likely to support change when they see early success. Show tangible improvements through small measurable goals that highlight positive outcomes. Testimonials from teams or individuals who have benefited. Data tracking to showcase progress over time. Example: if restructuring sales teams, highlight early increases in customer engagement and conversion rates. Step 6. Maintain continuous engagement. Buy-in isn't a one-time event. It requires ongoing communication and reinforcement. Regular updates on progress and impact. Recognition of teams contributing to success. Adaptability based on stakeholder feedback. Example: Airbnb kept employees engaged during its post-pandemic restructuring by maintaining transparent communication and celebrating small milestones. Final thoughts. Gaining stakeholder buy-in is not just about approval, it's about alignment, trust, and commitment. By clearly communicating the need for change, involving key players, and demonstrating early success, organizations can drive lasting transformation with strong support from all levels. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to sustain organizational change and ensure long-term success.